A black screen on a PC looks serious, but in many cases, it is not hardware failure. It usually comes from display connection issues, driver errors, or system startup problems inside Microsoft Windows. The key is to identify whether the problem is display, software, or boot related. 1. Check basic display connection. Start with hardware basics. Make sure the monitor is turned on. Check power cable, reconnect HDMI or VGA cable. Try a different port. A loose cable is one of the most common causes of a black screen. If you're on a laptop, connect an external monitor to test output. 2. Restart the PC properly. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force shutdown. Then restart. This clears temporary system hangs and often restores display output immediately. 3. Check if Windows is running in background. Sometimes the system is working, but the display is not showing. Look for fan noise, keyboard lights, startup sounds. If Windows is running, the issue is likely display or driver related, not full system failure. 4. Boot into the safe mode. Safe mode loads Windows with minimal drivers. To access it, restart PC, interrupt startup 2-3 times, enter recovery mode, then select safe mode. If screen works in safe mode, the issue is likely a graphics driver problem. 5. Update or roll back graphics drivers. Faulty display drivers are a major cause of black screens. Fix options: update graphics driver or roll back to previous version. This is especially common after system updates or driver installations. 6. Disconnect external devices. Sometimes peripherals cause boot conflicts. Unplug USB devices, external drives, printers, extra monitors, then restart the PC. This isolates the problem. 7. Use startup repair. Windows has an automatic repair tool. Go to Recovery Options and select Startup Repair. It scans system files and fixes boot-related errors automatically. 8. Check hardware if nothing works. If the black screen continues, RAM may be loose, GPU may be faulty, power supply may be unstable. At this stage, hardware diagnosis may be needed. Strategic insight. A black screen usually comes from 3 categories: display connection issues, graphics driver failure, boot, system errors. Most users assume system is dead, but in reality, over 70% of cases are software or connection related. Final conclusion: do not rush to replace your PC. Start with cable check, restart, safe mode, driver fix. In most cases, the system